Are you curious about the differences between NotebookLM and the new Gemini Notebook? This video will break down the evolution of this tool. As of July 2026, NotebookLM has evolved into Gemini Notebook. What began as a standalone app for reading documents has transformed into an integrated workspace within the Google AI ecosystem. The upgrade is significant. Gemini Notebook now features advanced models, automated web discovery, Google Drive autosync, cloud code execution, and supports a wider range of file outputs. Phase 1 focuses on discovery. The AI now acts as an agent, searching the web to populate your repository based on your prompts, and supports new formats like EPUB. With Google Drive autosync, your knowledge base is always live. You no longer need to manually upload files, as any edits in Drive are automatically updated in your notebook. Phase 2 brings a massive upgrade to the AI's capabilities, including Gemini 3.5, deep research mode for large documents, and visible reasoning to help you verify the AI's logic. Every notebook now includes a secure cloud computer. This allows you to upload complex datasets and execute code natively for advanced data analysis. Phase 3 allows you to generate professional artifacts directly within the chat, including spreadsheets, visualizations, documents, and slide decks. You can also transform your research into cinematic video overviews, or choose from 10 new infographic styles to visually summarize your sources. Finally, the ecosystem is fully connected. Access your notes across the Gemini app and Google Search. Enjoy mobile support and keep your history secure. Ready to take your ideas to the final project? Scan the code on screen to try the upgraded Gemini Notebook today.